So here, in this example, let's try this together. In this example, I say, of the students in the class playing musical instruments, 3 out of 5 are female, 1 out of 5 are the females, and 3 out of 10 of the males play violin. So, like I said, remember up and down, we're adding.
We need to make sure that if we're going up and down here, these two have to add up to 1. Add to 1.
So, what number would go here? Does anybody know what number goes here? 2 out of 5, yes, correct. Because they have to add up to 1. Now, here they tell us that 3 out of 10 of the males play violin. So, 3 out of 10, where does that go? Does 3 out of 10 go here? 3 out of 10 go here? Which one? Right, the top. 3 out of 10 goes on the top one because they say 3 out of 10 males do play violin. So 310 goes up there. What's on the bottom?
Always. These always add to 1.
So now we have to do it for females. Here it says a fifth, 1 over 5, or 1/5 of the females play violin. So violin, 1/5 is up here. So then what goes on the bottom? Right, 4 over 5. Remember, these have to add up to 1. Because you always look at the probability that they're on the same branch. These add up to 1. So now comes for the actual probability part, the conditional part. So we've got a probability for male, female. We've got a probability for playing the violin. So now I want to know what's the probability of a female playing the violin. So what do I do with the numbers here?
With A and B, what do you think we do with these two numbers, or these two fractions? We're going this way. We multiply, so it'll be 7 over 10 times 4 over 9.
We're multiplying, right? So if I want to know how many females play violin, what am I multiplying? Yes, because I'm starting here and going here. Thank you, Julia. So this times that gives me this. So what this is saying is, oh, probability of selecting a female who also plays the violin. Female and plays the violin. So we say this times that gives me that. So now we just continue that pattern. So what's the probability of a female not playing the violin? Oh, I just go from 3/5 to 4/5, multiply those, and then I get this. And you just continue that pattern. So now here I can go and answer these questions. What is the probability that a randomly student is male and does not play the violin? That means I'm going to start here. They are male here, and they do not play the violin. So, okay, you're male and you don't play the violin? Oh, so I multiply these two. I get that. So my answer should be 7 over 25. Boom. So now here it says, here's the part where you have to think a little bit. It says, what's the probability that a randomly selected student does play the violin? So notice how they don't specify male or female. All they care about is somebody playing the violin. So, playing the violin, that's the probability here. Playing the violin, that's the probability here.
So when you're going this way on a tree, you're multiplying. When you're going this way on a tree, you're adding.
Then we just add those two. We get that. Now, this last one, this is the challenging question. I want to know the probability of a randomly selected student that is male or plays the violin. Remember, or? That's a union. We're adding. What's the probability of selecting a male? What's the probability of selecting a male? 2 out of 5, correct. So I start there. So now, what's the probability of somebody playing the violin? So notice how it says male or plays the violin. So if I select male here, all the males are already covered here. We already covered this part. Now we need to look at the top part, or plays violin. If I start here, I got to add something. What am I adding to? What goes here? Notice how I said we've already covered this part. All I care about is male or plays the violin. That'd be this right here.
Sonic Boom!